people, welcome to my channel. I'm going to teach you how to make a simple cupcakes with no butter. I hope you're doing great. It's Lydia. The ingredients we're going to use are mostly ingredients you already have at home. So after setting up your baking pan, and the next step is I'm going to sieve the flour or the flour, the salt and baking powder. Then mix all properly and keep aside. That's something I forgot to mention. Always go through your ingredients after measuring them. I always do that to avoid missing out something. Always double check all your ingredients. After mixing the dry ingredients, my next step is I'm going to mix the wet ingredients, which include the milk, the oil, vanilla, and eggs. If you don't have mixing machine, that's okay. You can use manual whisk. And when it's time to mix everything together, including the flour or the flour, then you can use your wooden spoon. If this is the first time you are watching my video, welcome to my channel. We appreciate you. A big thanks to my new viewers, returning viewers, and my subscribers. I love you all. Now is to mix everything together. Make a hole with the flour and then add the wet ingredients and mix slowly until everything is nice and smooth. Remember, we did not add water when we did the initial mixing. Now is the right time to add water. Add bit by bit and mix until it's well combined. If you notice, the batter is a little bit liquid, so we're going to use a cup to scoop them into the baking pan. In a preheated oven set on 350 Fahrenheit, 350 Fahrenheit, we're going to bake for 15 to 17 minutes or until the toothpick comes out nice. Look at that. I hope you will like it. I made that for my kids and they loved it. So remember to like this video and give us thumbs up. Until we meet again, have a great day and stay safe. Bye.